Duduzile Zuma-Sambudla is in trouble with the law for allegedly encouraging violence on social media in the wake of her father's incarceration in 2021. She faces 1 count of incitement to commit terrorism and 2 counts of incitement to commit public violence, but her party believes the case against her holds no weight.
How do you incite when something has already happened? I mean, even if you were to look at those posts are things she commented on when maybe a truck was burning, for instance. Now, when you comment on that, how do you incite? It's after the fact. So it's really just a political persecution. The crime is to be Zuma's daughter. That's the crime. That's what we're dealing with.
But the NPA is adamant Zuma-Sambudla has a case to answer. The Director of Public Prosecutions in KwaZulu-Natal has turned down her request to dismiss the charges against her. Now her legal team is looking to make representations to the National Director of Public Prosecutions, who will then go over the DPP's decision.
Well, I don't have a statistical account of matters that were reviewed by her where she disagreed with the DPP, but she has to make an independent, informed decision, obviously having examined what is presented to her by the defense and what the prosecution from the DPP's office have presented to her, and make her own decision.
At the same time, there remains no word on whether Zuma-Sambudla will face a disciplinary hearing for her outburst aimed at the party's Secretary-General, Floyd Shibambu. Zuma-Sambudla did, however, issue 2 apologies following the social media post.
How's the relationship between the Secretary-General and Ms. Zuma-Sambudla?
They are comrades.
The eNCA party says the low attendance of members and supporters outside the court was not due to any internal disputes, but rather because they anticipated that the court hearing would be short. Nkosikhona Malinga-Mnisi in Durban.